Okay, here we are again. So, as promised from the previous video, we are interested in integrating our system with Supabase for the database instead of the Google Sheet. So, go ahead and create your account with Supabase. And once you have your account ready, you need to create your own database. So, there are many ways to create database. You can use SQL and you can type your SQL script. But I think today I'm just gonna make it simple by creating the database manually. So go to the database and create a new table. Now I'm gonna let the ID and create that the timestamp be there by default because they are very useful. So I'm just gonna add a column manually, like what I've created before uh, from the Google Sheet. As you can see that we've got company, phone, rating, services, products, and contact URL. Okay, so the name is gonna be company, the name of the first row I'm in, and it's gonna be string. Where are you, string? Text. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna add Supabase. So it's gonna be create row. Okay. Now we're gonna create a new credential. So this is gonna be a bit. It's not that complicated to be honest. It's just that's a bit as you can see that lots of menu. So I'm gonna go to project settings and it's gonna be API keys. But before that, we need to find the URL. Where is it? There we go. So it's a data API, and then you're gonna copy the URL, okay, and you're gonna paste it here, okay, and what else? Now, now that we are on the data API menu, we have copied the URL. Next, we need to go to the API keys, and we need this surface role, or the secret is basically. So go ahead and click refill, and copy and paste. I can't show you mine because seems like even though this is the legacy API keys, this is only once, and I can't seem to create another one. So I've already copied my secret role. I'm just gonna paste it on my n8n. Okay, there you go. So I'm gonna save it. Okay, seems like the connection is all right now, and I'm gonna make it end this mode. Okay, so the reason why is because I've got like 3 accounts in here. There we go. Okay, company profiles. Yeah, this is the one that we created earlier. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna add. I think it's better for me to execute the previous nodes. Okay, now the scraping's finished, and now we have a good information actually from the AI now in the form of JSON. What we need to do is we need to transfer this data over to the Supabase. So for the company, I'm just gonna do this. So we basically added a couple of fields that we specified earlier. Now we have company, and next is gonna be a phone number. And then after that, the rating. Okay, no, which is actually fine. And the services is gonna be here like this, and this the products, and the last one is gonna be the URL. Okay, now okay, let's execute. Okay, it's working. Now let's have a look at the data from the database. Okay, now we have that data. Um, okay, so we have everything here. Now, next, let's run all the workflow and see if we can manage to store potentially 7 high quality data to the database. Finally done. Let's have a look. There we go. So we got all the potentially 7 high quality data with where this is actually null. And if you guys are wondering why it started at 10, it's because of I've been doing a lot of experiments with this, so that's why it started at 10. Yeah, but this one is not really that important. If you want to present this data, but at least for the companies and the phone numbers, rating, services, and products, and I guess they are the most important thing for this. Okay, so I can say that the proposed system is pretty much working. Of course, there are a lot of things that we need to do to tidy up the data representations. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So thank you very much.